Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drift a Cadillac CTS. Before you even think about sliding, make sure your car is in top shape. Your Cadillac CTS is a powerful rear-wheel drive machine, perfect for this. Always choose a large, empty area, like a closed course or a very wide, abandoned lot, to ensure safety for yourself and others. This isn't something to try on public roads ever. To begin, approach a corner at a controlled speed, perhaps 30 to 40 miles per hour. You have a couple of options to initiate the slide. A quick flick of the handbrake or a burst of throttle, known as power oversteer. As soon as the rear tires lose grip, you must immediately countersteer, turning the wheel into the slide. This quick reaction is key to maintaining control. Once you're sliding, it's all about balance. Use the throttle to control the angle and speed of your drift. More gas means a wider angle, less gas tightens it up. Your steering wheel becomes your fine-tuning instrument, making small, precise adjustments. Always look far ahead through the turn, anticipating where you want the car to go, not just where it is right now. Bringing the drift to a smooth close is just as important as starting it. As you approach the exit of the turn, gradually ease off the throttle. Allow the car to naturally straighten out, gently unwinding the steering wheel as the rear tires regain full traction. Once the car is stable and pointing straight, you can smoothly accelerate away. Practice makes perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.